Terraflex also makes shocks, and
They do.
we put the Falcon shocks from Terraflex.
Yeah, Terraflex is the parent company of Falcon, and these amazing shocks are built by hand up in Utah. The whole assembly line is up there. It's a really the technology that they're putting into these shocks and the technology they have in their assembly line is second to none.
Well, and when we were talking about putting them on here, the way I remember, the way I understood the functionality of the shocks that we have on here was particularly if you're going down a gravel road, a washboardy, gravelly road where you're doing lots and lots of this. In a traditional shock absorber, that's going to lose some of its efficacy.
Shock fade is what you're...
Shock, and it's going to call it shock fade. With these, that situation, it improves the way they handle.
Greatly. The nice thing about the Falcon shocks is that they have a sport feel. It is a monotube shock, meaning that the oil and the nitrogen charge are separated. So they never aerate. The pressure of the nitrogen is directly related to the heat. So the harder you drive it, the higher pressure you have, the more shock action you have. Not to mention that they're adjustable.
And then they're adjustable. What are the adjustments? What situation
So
would you use
on the Gladiator, we have the 3.3s. And so we have soft, we have firm, and then in the middle we have an infinite dial of 1 to 10.
So you can really dial it in.
You can really dial it in, to exactly what you want. And it makes a big difference in some things. Like for instance, we typically run a little higher setting when we have the tent on. Makes it feel better in the turns, not so top heavy.